In this video, I'm going to be using the Turtle Wax Ultimate Motorcycle Cleaning Kit. This bike has been sitting for a while indoors and is a little dusty and dirty, so I'm going to use Clean and Shine Total Exterior Detail, which is great for touch-ups and in-between washes. It safely removes light dust and dirt on plastic, trim, glass, paint, and more without scratching. Generously spray directly onto one area at a time. Then with a clean microfiber towel, wipe for an instant shine. Repeat this process for the plastic and rubber trim areas and the wheels too. Exposed to the elements, leather on a motorcycle can take a beating. To protect it, we're going to use Quick and Easy Luxe Leather Clean Air and Conditioner. Shake well and spray onto a soft, clean microfiber towel or directly onto the surface. Work well until the surfaces are evenly conditioned. Buff lightly with a second clean cloth. Repeat this process on all leather surfaces. This will restore the leather softness, prevent fading, drying, and cracking over time. Chrome is the shiniest part on a bike, or at least it should be. Chrome can become oxidized and dull if not properly taken care of. So we're going to use premium all metal polish. Shake well and apply to a clean cotton cloth and rub into the surface until black residue appears. Let dry to a haze. Remove the residue with a clean, soft cloth. For hard to reach places, use a detail brush to clean out the crevices. For the windshield, gauge cluster, or tech screens, use the Quick and Easy Dash and Glass Interior Cleaner. Spray onto one or more surfaces at a time, and then dry with the dry side of a microfiber towel. To finish, I'm going to use ice spray wax, which is great for all surfaces. Shake and spray one area at a time to help remove swirl marks, light scratches, leaving a streak-free shine with no white residue.